Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar, and the way that I go to perform this video is that I'm going to play the video and I'm going to repeat after her the sounds. Okay, let's start.
Let's look at vowels first. There are 5 English vowels, aren't there? A,
I,
E,
I,
O,
and U.
But there are way more English vowel sounds. Some of them are long, some of them are short, and some of them are just lazy. Let's go through them.
E, E, O, U, E, O, A, O.
There's another group of vowel sounds called diphthongs. Now, don't worry about remembering that crazy name. All you need to do is remember the sounds. Diphthongs are sounds that change from one vowel sound to another, but in the same syllable. So, watch my mouth position change as I make each of these sounds. Ear,
Ear,
air,
Air, Ur,
ow,
Ow, O, A, I, Oi.
So we've been through vowels and diphthongs. Now we'll move on to consonants. The top row are unvoiced consonant sounds, which means that the sound is made by air moving from the back of your mouth through and out your lips. There is one extra letter that is unvoiced down the bottom. Then all the rest of the consonant sounds are voiced, which means that the sound is made here with your vocal cords. You can feel it here. And unvoiced sounds use just air. You can't feel anything here.
H, T, Ch, Sh, K, H, B, D,
J,
J, mm, 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 er, wa, yeah.
Well, that's it for this lesson. Make sure.
Okay, that's all. And I hope this video liked to everyone or to everybody. And thanks and blessing.